Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's session, we're going to explore how to write a strong and professional ship crew member job application letter. A job application letter is a formal written request sent to an employer to express interest in a specific position. It introduces who you are, highlights your relevant experience, and explains why you are a good fit for the job. For roles in the maritime industry, this letter is especially important because employers need reliable, disciplined, and safety-conscious individuals who can work well on board a vessel. Your letter is your first chance to show that you meet these expectations. Now, let's go through the sample letter together, starting with the applicant's personal details at the top left. Logan Matthews, 7420 Harbor Cliff Drive, San Diego, California, 92107. Email: logan.matthews@email.com. Phone: 619-882-4179. This section provides the employer with clear and complete contact information. It includes your full name, full home address, email, and phone number. This information must be accurate because the employer will use it to reach you for interviews or document verification. A neat, organized header also gives your letter a clean and professional start. Next, we have the date. Date: July 15th, 2026. Including the date is standard business letter formatting. It helps the employer know when the letter was written and shows that the application is recent. It also makes your letter look complete and well-structured. After that, we include the employer's details. Hiring manager: Pacific Star Marine Lines, 1314 Ocean View Port Road, Long Beach, California, 90802. This section shows exactly who the letter is addressed to. If you know the name of the hiring manager, you can include it, but using hiring manager is perfectly acceptable. Listing the company's name and address also shows that your letter is personalized for this specific employer, rather than a general copy sent everywhere. Then we add the subject line. Subject: Application for ship crew member position. The subject line immediately tells the employer the purpose of your letter. Maritime companies often hire for multiple ranks and positions, so making your intention clear helps your application be categorized correctly. Now we move to the salutation, which is the greeting. Dear hiring manager, this is a polite and professional way to begin. It shows respect and sets the tone for the rest of the letter. If you know the hiring manager's name, you can replace it with a more personal greeting. Now we begin the first main paragraph. I am writing to apply for the ship crew member position at Pacific Star Marine Lines. With over 3 years of experience working aboard commercial vessels, handling deck operations, and assisting with navigation and maintenance tasks, I'm confident that I can contribute effectively to your maritime team. This paragraph serves as your introduction. It clearly states the position being applied for, which avoids confusion. Then it immediately highlights your strongest qualifications: experience on commercial vessels, deck operations, navigation support, and maintenance tasks. Listing these early helps build a strong first impression because ship crew roles require hands-on skills and real-life vessel experience. When writing your own letter, always begin by stating the purpose and then quickly mention your key strengths. Next, we move into the second paragraph. In my current role with Seaway Coastal Services in San Diego, I support daily ship operations, conduct routine safety checks, manage cargo handling, and assist the deck crew during docking and undocking procedures. I am trained in emergency response, first aid, and water safety, and I take pride in maintaining a disciplined and cooperative working environment on board. This paragraph gives practical details of what the applicant does in their current job. Each responsibility here is important. Supporting ship operations shows reliability, conducting safety checks shows awareness and responsibility, and handling cargo demonstrates physical ability and attention to procedure. Assisting during docking and undocking is a critical skill because it requires precision and teamwork. The sentence about emergency response and first aid training shows that the applicant is prepared for unexpected situations, something every maritime employer values. Mentioning a disciplined and cooperative work attitude also highlights professionalism and teamwork, both essential on a vessel where crew members rely on one another. Now let's move on to the third main paragraph. I am dependable, hardworking, and committed to following all maritime safety regulations. Pacific Star Marine Line's reputation for excellence motivates me, and I would welcome the opportunity to bring my skills and dedication to your crew. This paragraph connects personal qualities with the employer's reputation. Words like dependable and hardworking help describe the applicant's character, while emphasizing commitment to safety shows responsibility, one of the most important traits in the maritime industry. Mentioning the company's reputation shows that the applicant has done research and is genuinely motivated to join this specific organization. This personalization makes your letter feel more sincere. Next, we look at the final main paragraph. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of contributing to your team. This paragraph closes the letter politely and confidently. It shows readiness for an interview and provides assurance that the applicant is easy to contact. Expressing appreciation is part of professional etiquette, and ending with a forward-looking statement shows enthusiasm without sounding pushy. Finally, we end with the closing and signature block. Sincerely, signature, Logan Matthews. This closing is simple, respectful, and formal. Always sign your name when submitting a printed letter, or attach a digital signature for electronic applications. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few final tips to help you write a strong ship crew member application letter. First, always highlight your safety awareness and certifications. Employers look for crew members who understand safety protocols and emergency procedures. Second, be specific about your experience. General statements carry less weight than clear examples. Third, show that you understand the company you're applying to. A little personalization makes your letter stand out. And finally, keep your tone confident and professional from start to finish. With these points in mind, you'll be able to create a strong and effective application letter that showcases your skills and increases your chances of joining a respected maritime team. Thank you for watching Writing Tutorials. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you on the next video.